Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you will enter to Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors, so you can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.